Welcome to our channel, What's Special Today? Do you ever wonder about the significance of a particular date? What about the 8th of February? What remarkable events have unfolded on this seemingly ordinary day? Well, February 8th has had its fair share of monumental occurrences, some of which have had profound impacts on the course of history. Our journey begins in the late 16th century. On February 8th, 1587, a notable event took place that would forever change the landscape of British history. Mary, Queen of Scots, was executed for her involvement in plots against Queen Elizabeth I. This marked a pivotal moment in the reign of Elizabeth, solidifying her position as queen and altering the course of English history. Moving forward, a few centuries to the early 20th century, we find another momentous event that has left a lasting impression on society. On this day, February 8th, in 1910, the Boy Scouts of America was founded. This organization has since been instrumental in shaping the lives of millions of young people, instilling values of leadership, community service, and outdoor skills. As we venture into the realm of space exploration, February 8th marks another significant milestone. In 1960, the United Kingdom launched its first successful satellite, Ariel 1. This event not only marked Britain's entry into the space race, but it also opened new frontiers in our understanding of the cosmos. These events, though seemingly unrelated, are all threads in the rich tapestry of our shared history. Each one, in its own way, has contributed to the world we live in today. Whether it's the execution of a controversial queen, the founding of a youth organization, or the launch of a satellite, these events serve as reminders of our past and signposts to our future. So the next time you glance at a calendar and see it's February 8th, remember, this date is more than just an ordinary day. It's a day that has been marked by historical events, a day that has seen the best and worst of humanity, a day that has shaped our world in ways we may never fully comprehend. Thank you for joining us on this historical adventure. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through time as much as we have. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. After all, every day is a part of history, including